Hi guys! Ooh, I feel like beauty gurus are so calm and chill, and that is just not me. But let's just try this out. Hi everyone! Hi angels. So today I'm doing a very different video. In this video, I am going to be a beauty guru for a day. If you guys have been watching me, you know that I've been in this mood where I don't really care what I look like or my appearance, and it was just not good. But recently I was filming a web series and I was on set so much and I had to get my makeup fully done all the time, and I kind of became obsessed with makeup. I just find it so interesting and fun now, so I'm dipping my toes into the water of the makeup world again. I don't think anyone remembers this, but my channel actually started off as a beauty guru channel. Here's me in my early teenage years thinking I was a beauty guru. Who let me do that? They were so bad. So today, to be a beauty guru, first we're gonna go makeup shopping, then I'm gonna do a makeup haul, do some skincare, and finally finish off with a makeup tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Remember, it is for entertainment purposes. This is nothing against beauty gurus. I actually love watching beauty gurus. This is just me pretending to be one for a day. So let's get started. First plan of action, in order to be a real beauty guru, I'm gonna go makeup shopping at Ulta and maybe Sephora too, and spend an exuberant amount of unnecessary money. So we're gonna go do that. I feel like I never go makeup shopping, so this is gonna be very interesting. All right, let's go. Literally everyone always comments whenever I make some sort of driving video. They always comment about how it's so weird that I drive with my shoes off. I don't know, I mean, I can drive with my shoes on, I just choose not to. Yes. All right, we're gonna go to Ulta and hope for the best. All right, you.
I'm always pretty face.
I love the private club.
Girl, ever since I found you, I don't hear them other
2, 3, let's go!
Okay, so I'm here at Ulta, if you can see that. I posted this on my Instagram story asking you guys to give me your favorite makeup recommendations. So I'm gonna be using this to help me out because I have no idea what to get. Let's go spend some money. Okay, so I went into Ulta. I was a little bit intimidated because of the wide range of selection. Here's a little bit of dancing that was very uncalled for. I was carrying everything in my hands because I didn't have a basket. Then I checked out and here was me freaking out over my rising total. That hurt so bad. Here we go. So Ulta was a success and your guys' recommendations really helped me out. So pretty much everything that I got was recommendations from you guys. So I'm so excited to try everything out. Okay, so it is time for the haul. I'm so excited. I have not done a makeup haul in years. I'm gonna start off with Ulta since that's what you guys just saw footage from. I don't know if I can do this beauty guru lifestyle, guys. Makeup can get so expensive so easily. At Ulta, I spent $222.13, which is a lot of money. I got stuff from here that was specifically recommended from you guys. It definitely did add up, but I wanted to make sure that I had a bunch of new and fun stuff to show you guys for this video. So the first thing that I got, which I'm so excited about, is the Morphe 8H Hi-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer Highlight and Contour palette. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very nice. Get you a girl who has a wide range of vocabulary like me. It has bubble wrap around it, which is so nice, and it's got the palette, which is fine. I just really love bubble wrap. Ah. That's it. Here is the palette. It's filled with different contour shades and highlighters. We've got this square of contouring shades, which is so nice because there's warm, cool, and then they have this reddish contour color, so it's perfect for all types of skin tones. And then in this section there's just 4 highlighters, which it's so diverse. We have some different shimmers. The next thing that I got was from L'Oreal, and I'm always looking for a really good drugstore mascara. This one was recommended by at least 10 people, so this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Curved Mascara. This is supposed to give you 5 times fuller lashes, and it has a curved wand, so it just looks like this. But a lot of other people recommended that I try the Benefit Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. Here we go. That sound was so nice. I kind of fell off with the beauty world up until a couple weeks ago. I'm pretty sure people have talked about this before, but it's called Revolution Makeup. I got the Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Lace. This is $8 and that's a pretty affordable price, so hopefully this works out. The next couple of things are from Anastasia, and you guys know I am obsessed with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade for your eyebrows. I never stray away from it, but this is the year of trying new things. So I got the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in the shade Ebony. It's the same idea, it's a brow filler inner, but this one is in powder form, so I'm excited to see how this lasts throughout the day. Here it is, and then it has kind of like a darker and a lighter shades. One of the makeup artists when I was on set used this on me and it looked so freaking pretty. I'm jumping on all these bandwagons so late, but this is the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I love opening new palettes. It's like so clean and untouched. This is so freaking pretty. So we have the shade Bronze, Summer, Tourmaline, and Moonstone. Okay, well now it's pouring outside, so that's good, I guess. I can guarantee you in about 30 minutes it will be sunny again because that's just how Hawaii works. I got the Anastasia dual-ended detail brush. I do have one already for my Dip Brow Pomade, but I wanted to get another eyebrow brush for the powder. Going back to the drugstore section, I got something from Revlon. This is the Colorstay eyeliner in brown. I got 2 lip products. The first one is from Too Faced and it's from their Sweet Peach collection. This is the Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss. The packaging looks like this and it's in the shade Papa Don't Peach. It smells super good, which isn't that important, but it's kind of important. It's pretty much like a lip gloss, but it's not as sticky as a lip gloss would be. And then in the front of their store, they had a couple of these left, so I wanted to pick up a Kylie matte lipstick. So this is what it looks like. I really lean towards the peachy nudes kind of color. I think those look best on me. All right, next step for this beauty guru process, I have some leftover makeup on my face, so we're gonna do some skincare. Oh god, this looks terrible. Sometimes when I get bored, I do my makeup bad on purpose. So like, look at how, oh my gosh. Anyways, apart from me acting dumb, I'm gonna show you guys how I take care of my skin and stuff like that. To remove my makeup, my favorite cleansing wipes are the Sephora ones. I get whichever ones they have in stock. So this is the cucumber ones. Now that my face is free of pretty much all of the makeup, I'm sure there's still a little bit left on there. I'm gonna wash my face. I actually use a face cleanser that my dermatologist gave me, so it's prescribed. I use that most of the time, but my other favorite recently has been the Clinique Acne Solutions Cleansing Foam. For toner, I use the Badescu Witch Hazel and Rosewater toner. That is so gross. Gonna finish this off with the Badescu Rosewater facial spray. Oh my gosh, I forgot what it's like to have nice quality. But beauty gurus always have the nicest quality. They have blurry backgrounds and sometimes I still film vlogs with my phone. We have made it to the makeup tutorial part of this video. So to start off kind of as a skincare base, I'm gonna be using the Glossier Super Glow Skin Serum. Just strip that on my face. You can see it's so runny. Since my skin has been dry lately, I don't want to go in with a drying primer, so I'm going to stick with the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Serum. It's in this stick form. I don't know if this is actually a good investment, but it does feel really good on your skin. I didn't get any foundations to try out, so sorry about that. But this one is one of my favorites. It's the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and dab it on my face. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I went to their event that they had in LA a little while ago and they gave me some of these concealers to try out, which I'm so excited about. My literal life goal is to go on tripping with Tarte one day. So speaking it into the universe, I hope that one day it'll happen, but we'll see. I'm also gonna bring that on my eyelids to use as primer because I don't really have eyelid primer right now. Sometimes you gotta think smarter, not harder. Okay, so that is my base. Now I'm gonna try out the Revolution Makeup Luxury Baking Powder. I think that's good. I don't know. All right! There we go! I hope I did that right. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Brow Powder Pomade that I showed you guys. Uh-oh. It's not right. I think I'm done. I'm gonna wipe off the bake now, and I actually really like this powder. I'm so excited about the next part that we're gonna do. I'm gonna take the Morphe contouring palette. I think I wanna use this shade. It's called Debutante. So I'm gonna mix that one and Not so much do okay. Oh my gosh, that is so bad. I don't think I want to be a beauty guru anymore. This is traumatizing. I'm gonna try and contour my nose too at this point because there's not much worse I can do. Everything looks good from the front, but then I angle my face this way and you see there is a literal horizontal line on my face. Oh, all right, you know what? We're just gonna settle for this. Sometimes you just can't have it all. I didn't buy a new blush to try out, so I'm gonna use the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Dusk, and I'm just gonna apply this with a beauty blender. I'm so excited for this part. I'm gonna try out the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm gonna use the shade Summer right here. Moment of truth. Oh, sis. We are back in business. I love this highlighter. I love when they're not super chunky with glitter. It's just a super nice glow. This is the part I've been putting off and I'm most worried for. Eyeshadow. And I'm worried because I'm one of those girls who puts bronzer in their eyelids and calls it a day. I really don't experiment much with eyeshadow, even though I wish I was super good at it. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. They so kindly sent me this and I don't know how I got on their PR list and it just makes me really happy. So many shades in it to play around with. So I'm gonna start off with kind of a basic crease color. This is just an orangey brown shade and it's called Riff, and I'm gonna take that and put it in my crease. That's fine. And now I'm gonna take the shade Weekender. It's just this matte nude color right here. Put that on my eyelids. It's a pretty neutral shade, so you won't really be able to see much of a difference. Okay, so I really want to mess around with this eyeshadow, and I've heard that purple looks really good with brown eyes, so I'm gonna take this purple sparkly shade and I'm gonna use it as eyeliner. Okay, that is the eyeliner. It isn't too harsh, which I like. Would it be bad if I used blue? Yes! I'm bored, so I'm gonna take this blue shade right here that's called Radio. I really have no direction with this makeup look. I'm just gonna put that on my lower. Oh. Okay, I don't want to be a beauty guru anymore. This is hard. Literally stretching out my sweatpants so I can wipe this off. All right, well, we're just gonna go with this. This is all just really a learning experience. So moving on to mascara. On this side, I'm gonna use the Benefit Roller Lash, and on this side, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Voluminous. I'm losing brain cells by the minute. Basically, this side, I'm using this mascara, and this side, I'm using this mascara. Ooh, I like that. I actually think the L'Oreal one did a lot better, which is crazy, but so nice because it's a drugstore mascara, so it's a lot more affordable. I think between these two lipsticks, the Kylie one might look better with the look. Again, this is the Kylie lipstick in the shade Commando. Ooh. Okay, that is it for the makeup look. I don't know if I love it or I hate it. I hope you enjoyed me pretending to be a professional makeup artist for 10 minutes straight, or however long this makeup segment was. All right, I'm done. All right, guys, so that is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you stayed all the way to this point in the video, first of all, you're amazing because I feel like this is gonna be the longest video ever. And second of all, comment down below, cheetah. Why not? Here's today's bread, babe. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you guys so much and you're the best and you already know how much I love you and it's just really, really awesome that you guys support me and I love you so much. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel because it's free and people like free things. And also if you want to, follow me on Instagram because it's always fun. I ran out of personality for the day. Okay, bye.
Missing someone.